is up, guys? We are here at Warner Park in Omaha, Nebraska for our annual charity event, the Ice Cream Cruise. The Ice Cream Cruise is the largest car show of its kind in the Omaha metro area, and it's really open to everybody. Anything from your mom's minivan to jacked up trucks to $200,000 resto mods. It's all here, and we welcome everything.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. You do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. That's what we never wanted. I want this forever. I swear I just spend whatever on it. She hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it until she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say bow, blocker.
What is up, guys? We're here for day 2 of Ice Cream Cruise 2019. We're in Ottawa, Iowa. We're doing some drag racing today. We got 3 classes. We got the fastest 16, the second fastest 16, and then we got the slowpokes, which is the slowest 16 cars on the property. For the drag racing, anybody can enter, and then we wrap up the entire day with a massive burnout contest. It's one of the epic things we do here. We do it every year. It's gonna be a good time.
Oh, I almost dropped the camera.